The initial results are very encouraging. We had in the first hole 1.5 meters at 3.48% total rare earth oxide, including half a meter at 7.7% total rare earth oxide, which is a very high grade rare earth result.
Welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. Joining me now is Aidan Laval. He is the CEO of European Green Transition. And Aidan, it's good to have you back again. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you, Steve. Good to be back.
Good. Yeah, good to have you along. Company out with some news today, releasing the initial Ulstrom drilling results this morning. So first off, tell me a little bit about the program, what it was designed to do, and about some of the findings you're seeing.
Sure. This was a 13-hole scout drill program on new targets at Djupedal and Ulstrom West. So this is about 2.5 kilometers northwest of the historic Ulstrom rare earth resource. And the results we announced this morning are from the first four holes of that program. They represent only about 15% of the actual samples that we submitted to the lab, but it'll be another few weeks before we get all the rest back. The initial results are very encouraging. We had in the first hole 1.5 meters at 3.48% total rare earth oxide, including half a meter at 7.7% total rare earth oxide, which is a very high grade rare earth result. And that also included 0.15% dysprosium, which is one of the more valuable heavy rare earths. And that all was within a wider zone of about 7.9 meters at 0.85% in the first hole. And the second hole beneath that intersected a similar intersection that was 7.25 meters at 0.72% total rare earths. And again, the third hole hit similar mineralization, 1.6 meters at 1.45% total rare earth oxide. So we're off to a good start from these initial results.
Yeah, and this really bodes well for the project in general because it gave you a lot of information in some areas that were very key to potential expansion of this particular area.
Yeah, we were pleased. It validates the geological model, so we expected to hit a structure under the historic workings. These initial holes were low risk holes. There was dumps and historic small scale iron workings on surface, which had some high grade rare earths. So we did indeed intersect a mineralized structure beneath that, and there's some continuity between the drill holes, which is very good, and that bodes well for the rest of the program. The rest of the asset is from this program, and these initial holes were on the northeast bounding fault of what is a kilometer long, really strong anomaly at the Djupedal prospect. So yeah, it looks good. We can now say that there is district scale control. We have other targets that are mineralized on surface that have never been drilled. We've drilled mineralization now, and we know from our neighbors next door, Ragnar Metals, that they've also been finding mineralized structures with rare earth mineralization. So we definitely are seeing an emerging rare earth district here around the Ulstrom project.
Yeah, and what does that mean as far as monetizing this asset moving forward?
Yeah, the intention of European Green Transition PLC was always to monetize the assets. This program was aimed at de-risking the Ulstrom project to show the bigger district scale potential. And once we have all the results in hand, we will continue discussions with various parties. And our aim is to monetize that asset for the company.
Yeah. Aidan, congratulations on this. It's early days for sure, but some promising results, and I appreciate your time this morning. Thank you.
Thank you, Steve.
All right, Aidan Laval, the CEO of European Green Transition.